Hello, today's DIY I'm going to talk about how to make a phone holder for the DJI Crystal Sky monitor. If you have a Crystal Sky DJI monitor, you will be frustrated about this big battery at the back, because this battery at the back, so you cannot put on any phone holders. And also there's a lot of 5 buttons on the side. You don't want to clamp on the side of it, basically to prevent you from to control all those buttons. The first version I made, I just cut the styrofoam, and using the styrofoam, as you can see that this is the styrofoam, I put on it, and then I put this one onto this holder. In fact, this works very well. But today's DIY, I find a strong piece of wood that I can clamp on this phone holder. So definitely you can use a 3D printer to print this phone holder, but this is, I think, is too costly. And of course you can also use in the traditional way, using a bandsaw just to cut these pieces. But today's project, I'm going to use the CNC router to do this phone holder. So first of all, I just go to my ESO website and design this the layout for this phone holder. As you can see, that is exactly as the one here. So this is the gate, and this is the button, and this is the whole area I'm going to cut it up. As you can see here, the whole pieces eventually will cut through, and with this gate as just like designed for 4 millimeters, and also this button to be 4 millimeters. So let's pass this layout to the router and do the job. Alright, this piece is ready. Seems off. Shake off all those dirts. And looks like everything is perfect. Let's put on our batteries to the back to see what happens. So now I just give it a try. This is the Crystal Sky, and well, it's a little bit snuggy, and but yeah. Oh, wow, it's perfect, right? So I can see this holder, this button is been perfect align everything there. Wow, really neat together. Wow, it's perfect. So now I recycle this knob. So basically I'm going to make a drill to this one, so this can hold these batteries into the phone lockers. Alright, now everything's done. So leave it tight. Well, so it looks like everything is nicely fitted. Okay, let's put everything together. So now this is the knob. With the knob, I tighten it. So basically I can see the batteries firmly get locked to the holders. So so no more coming out from the holders. Alright, if I put this one on, I don't think there's any problem of doing that. So, oh, you see this, turn it on, off, and eventually what it looks like is just like this. And it's perfectly holder for everything here. And if you look at the side view is just like this. And this is the back. Anyways, so okay, so that's today's DIY project for this Crystal Sky monitor phone holder, using the CNC routers. So if you like my video, please give a thumb up or just leave a valuable comment. Thanks for watching for today's DIY project.